Yeah! Today is our training day and monthly refresher with our cafe. So this is my wife, our founder, and we have our beans sa likod pati milk. Kasi para isang lakaran na lang kami, and then sa Monday, hindi na ganun kadami deliver. So inaantay na kami ng mga barista sa PHQ since dun naman na namin ang training. And then akit lang nila to, tapos start na kami with the training. Ano masasabi mo sa ano? Wala naman.
Binalayan sa mga sa akin.
Sa gilid. So, dala na ni wifey yung dala na. So, mag-exam muna sila. Yan. One seat apart. One seat apart. Oh! May exchange gift agad ah. Yan yung highest. Sinil 60, baka nga 40 eh. So this is JD, James, Nin, si Ja, si Val, and si Angel. Tapos yung nabartolina, si Daryl. So we will shoot today yung mga... So this is our giveaways. Some stickers. We have the tumblers and the bags, tote bags. So for those who is asking bakit nag-exam sila, so dumaan yung security kanina, tinanong ba't nag-exam sila. So this is for quality assurance, and then at the same time, we would like to give the best sa mga customers namin. So dapat the same movement, the same ratio, the same quality, lahat sa kahit saang branch, kailangan isa pa rin yung timpla ng bawat barista. So now, they are doing their exam. So check it. Kamusta boss? Sakit?